Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It is Monday, President's Day. Everything's closed except my chiropractor. And video number one below, we had a funny water accident at the store. Was it Thursday or Friday? Video number one below. Okay, this is just a glimpse into my wonderful life that everybody thinks is all rainbows and chocolate. And so Friday night, this is Monday morning. Friday night, I'm like, honey, you getting kind of cold? The heater's running or the furnace is running, but the temperature's dropping a little bit. She's like, oh no, I'm fine. I'm like, I looked at the thermostat. I knew something was wrong. And we were cold this weekend. It's going to be cold all this week. I digress. So I'm like, no, this doesn't feel right. So another hour later, the furnace is still working, but there's cool air coming out the furnace. Right, Minnie? Minnie, remember that? She's like, oh, I remember. So it's like 7:30 at night. This guy's got to call an emergency repair guy. I don't want to tell you how much that cost on a Friday night. So the guy comes over. I show him the furnace. And he's like, ooh, I'm like, that ain't good. That doesn't sound good, right? When the repair guy is moaning, looking at your furnace. So I'm like, listen, I'll leave you alone. I'll just go upstairs. Just yell for me and I'll come down and you can give me the good news or the bad news. So he's like, Crypto Mentor 99. I'm like, I'll be right there, Zach. So I go downstairs. Zach doesn't have a good look on his face. He's like, you need a new furnace. I'm like, I need a new furnace? I haven't had one repair in 20 years of this furnace. So I said to myself, how much is that going to cost? He told me, okay, when can you install it? This is Friday. He's like, well, I could have the sales guy come over tomorrow, Saturday. I'm like, well, that means I'll be without heat tonight. He's like, yup. So we slept Friday without heat. We slept Saturday without heat. The sales guy came over. He was like 3 hours late. I'm about ready to choke the guy as soon as he walks in the door, but I held back. Oh, and by the way, no repairmen were injured or hurt in the making of this video. So what? Sunday at like 2 o'clock, the guy's like, I'll be right over. Well, right over means 40 minutes. So I open the garage door. He comes in. He knows he's got me. I've got no heat for 2 days or 2 nights. Sunday night, no furnace again. So he sells me a furnace. This is Monday morning. They're going to install it this afternoon. That's the good news. The bad news is, well, no, that's the great news. I'm thankful for the repair guy. Gave me a few discounts that I'm sure they give everybody, but he's like, hey, I could do something for you. I'm like, great. Go ahead and do it for me. And then tomorrow I leave for Guatemala. So I'm stressed out from the water last Thursday or Friday. The heater wasn't working right over the weekend. Finally, it died. I got a guy coming over. I can't change my airfare for reasons I don't want to get into. I got to get down there tomorrow morning. And it was just one thing after another this weekend. So Mrs. Crypto Mentor, oh, plus it's President's Day. I can't get any cash out of the bank. Oh, wait, I've got a debit card at the new bank. Yes, I can. Anyhow, scratch that. So, yeah, drop it off, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 at the bank. And, yeah, what a weekend. I hate leaving under these circumstances. I was so stressed out over the weekend, not knowing if Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 was going to have a furnace Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of this week. And tomorrow when I leave, it's supposed to be like minus 20. I'm going to get to Guatemala. It's going to be 85 degrees. That's over 100-degree temperature swing. Anyhow, that's it. You think you got problems? Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. And love the ones you're with. Love y'all. Bye-bye.